How to create stories in TikTok. This tutorial will use Android. You can always follow along on iOS. The prerequisite for this tutorial is that you have already updated the TikTok application to its latest version. So you can consult both Play Store or App Store for that. Okay, and before we start this tutorial proper, please make sure that you hit subscribe and ring that bell. So without further ado, let's go. First off, just open your TikTok application from your mobile phone. And then from the TikTok dashboard on the home screen, all you need to do is just to click on the post button on the bottom center. Okay, choose slide to story. Okay, you can choose to upload or have a picture or a video or upload existing media, and you can always add effects. So for example, you can add a green screen. Okay, you can also choose to upload your existing media. You can add filter. Okay. You can also like add sound defined by TikTok, for example. Okay. And once you do, just click on this. All you have to do now is just to click on next. You can describe the post, you can add or tag people, you can add the location, you can select the privacy option, and this story will only be posted for 24 hours before it is expired. So once you do, just click on post. Okay, and that's how you create stories on TikTok. If you find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, please put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, and I hope it helps. Take care. Bye.